Some of you guys are going to think this is completely Mickey Mouse, but I want to ask you guys, how long do you keep a set of tires? Okay, I want you to think about that for a second. A set of tires is replaced every year to 3 years, or something like that, right? So, really, you're trying to clean overspray off a tire, all right? And you're going to sit there with a rag, and you're going to sit there and rub on it for hours and get all the overspray off. Okay, that's just, come on. There's a much faster way, and it's called Krylon. Okay, whenever when I was an automotive painter, one thing about Krylon, the reason I use Krylon is it's like a lacquer base, so the overspray tends to dry before it gets to the paint and dries and sticks to your bright nice new paint. So if you're in a body shop, some of you guys are masking off of complete flare. This is for you home guy, right? You're covering the whole thing up with plastic. You're not getting overspray underneath because you're in a smash shop. You're doing this stuff all day long. This is somebody who's doing more of a restore type paint job type of thing. You're going to get paint on the tire every once in a while. Eraser. Just give it a little paint. Yep. And you know what? When you go to replace your tires, you're not going to care. The other thing I do is I'll do the leaf springs and whatever else got overspray on it. After you're done. A couple things like that shouldn't be painted. And then you know what? I even like on my restoration paint jobs on my cars, I'll actually throw it up on a lift or whatever, and then I'll go underneath and wash everything down, and I'll paint everything black underneath. And people go, what? Why do you paint it all black underneath? Because then when you look back and you don't see all that ugly crap under there. It just kind of takes your eye away from it and then makes it look clean. And honestly, when you're done with your tires, touching them up after this dries, you will not see it. So the flat matte black is one of the best. Matte or satin, one of those. Not the flat is a little bit too flat, and you can see that doesn't look like a tire. So that's a little trick. Talk to you in the next video. Some of you guys are going to go, oh my god, I'd never do that. I'll clean my tires. I'll spend half a day cleaning tires. And I can already see the sucking sound going to the comments on this. All right, but you guys go ahead. You want to spend all that time? I'm talking to the guys who don't want to spend that time, like me. I don't want to spend that time. I got a little bit overspray on my tire. Gone. Goodbye. Talk to you in the next video.